On September 17, 2024, Lebanon was rocked by a catastrophic event when pages used by Hezbollah, a powerful militant organization, exploded simultaneously across the country. This unprecedented incident resulted in at least 9 deaths and around 2,800 injuries, many of which were severe. The explosions raised significant concerns about security, the technological vulnerabilities in communication methods, and the ongoing geopolitical tensions between Hezbollah and Israel. This analysis aims to provide a thorough understanding of the events surrounding the explosions, the nature of Hezbollah as an organization, the technical mechanisms involved, the potential perpetrators, and the broader implications for regional security and warfare. The explosions began at approximately 15:45 local time in Beirut and quickly spread to various locations across Lebanon, creating widespread chaos and panic. Eyewitnesses described the sound of multiple loud blasts, which prompted a rapid response from emergency services. Initial investigations revealed that the pages exploded after receiving messages purportedly from Hezbollah's leadership. The human toll of this incident was devastating. Reports confirmed at least 9 fatalities, with the injury count soaring to around 2,800. Many victims sustained severe injuries, particularly to their faces and hands, with numerous cases of amputations. The scale of injuries emphasized the magnitude of this attack, not only as a blow to Hezbollah, but also as a tragic event affecting civilians. Hezbollah, or Party of God, was established in the early 1980s in response to Israeli invasions during the Lebanese civil war. Over the years, it has evolved from a militant organization into a significant political force in Lebanon, participating in parliamentary politics and gaining substantial military capabilities. Funded and supported by Iran, particularly through its Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, Hezbollah has become one of the most powerful non-state actors globally. Due to the persistent threat from Israeli intelligence, Hezbollah has adopted various communication methods to maintain operational security. Historically, the group used pagers as a low-tech alternative to mobile phones, which are considered vulnerable to interception. The reliance on pagers was intended to safeguard sensitive information, making the recent explosions a substantial breach of security for the organization. Experts believe that the pagers used by Hezbollah were compromised during their manufacturing or transit. This type of attack, known as a supply chain attack, involves tampering with devices before they reach the end user. Such operations require sophisticated planning and execution, indicating a high level of technological prowess. The ability to infiltrate the supply chain of a militant organization like Hezbollah underscores a significant threat to its operational security. Investigations revealed that the explosive material concealed within the pagers was PETN, penterythritol tetranitrate, a powerful and stable explosive commonly used in military and terrorist applications. PETN's properties make it particularly effective. It is known for its high energy density and ability to be detonated with minimal energy input. The use of PETN in this incident raises alarms about the technical capabilities of those behind the attack and their potential access to advanced explosives. In the immediate aftermath of the explosions, there was speculation regarding the possibility of a hack that caused the batteries of the pagers to overheat, leading to detonation. However, experts quickly dismissed this theory based on evidence observed at the explosion sites. Instead, the focus shifted toward a more orchestrated attack, involving pre-programmed detonations designed to maximize chaos and destruction. The simultaneous nature of the explosion has sparked numerous hypotheses about the triggering mechanism. Some reports suggest that the PETN could have been detonated by remotely increasing the temperature of the batteries. Others propose that a specific message was sent to the pagers, prompting them to explode. This sophisticated method of triggering raises serious questions about the security measures Hezbollah had in place and their ability to adapt to emerging threats. In the wake of the explosions, both Hezbollah and the Lebanese government accused Israel of orchestrating the attacks. While no group has officially claimed responsibility, The timing of the explosions, following increased rhetoric from Israeli leaders about escalating military actions against Hezbollah, has fueled speculation regarding Israeli involvement. Analysts believe that the attack may represent a significant shift in the tactics employed by Israel to undermine Hezbollah's operational capacity. The explosions have heightened fears of escalating tensions between Hezbollah and Israel. The group has vowed retaliation, and the already volatile situation in the region suggests that further conflict could be imminent. The broader implications of this incident extend beyond Lebanon, as it underscores the fragility of security in a region plagued by long-standing hostilities. The Hezbollah pager explosions exemplify the changing landscape of warfare, where technology plays an increasingly critical role. Cyber tactics and supply chain vulnerabilities are becoming intertwined in military strategies, illustrating a shift in how conflicts are fought. As non-state actors increasingly adopt sophisticated technologies, the risks associated with cyber vulnerabilities will continue to escalate. This incident serves as a warning about the potential consequences of technological vulnerabilities in military contexts. As organizations like Hezbollah rely on advanced communication methods, the risk of such attacks poses a significant threat to their operational security. The implications of the explosions will likely resonate throughout the region, prompting both state and non-state actors to reassess their security measures and communication strategies. Investigations into the explosions are ongoing, with a focus on the origins of the pagers and the companies involved in their supply. Rensen Jose, a Norwegian businessman linked to the pager supply chain, has gone missing, raising questions about his potential role in the incident. His firm, Norta Global Limited, reportedly facilitated the procurement of the pagers, which were manufactured by a Taiwanese company but ultimately linked to a Hungarian intermediary. The incident is poised to have significant legal and diplomatic ramifications for Lebanon and its relationships with neighboring countries. As investigations continue and more details emerge, the potential for legal action and diplomatic responses will be closely monitored. The situation remains delicate, with heightened tensions potentially leading to broader regional instability. Do like and subscribe to my channel Trivia Bistro for such videos.